You wake up tomorrow morning. You check your phone. 7:14 a.m. You look out the window, and it's dark. Not cloudy dark, not stormy dark. Dark, dark. The kind of dark that makes your stomach drop because something in your brain, something ancient and primal, immediately knows. The sun is gone. Not dimming, not blocked, not hiding behind the moon. Gone. Vanished. As if it never existed. Now here's the question nobody wants to answer. How long do you have? The answer is going to change the way you look at the sky for the rest of your life. Here's the first thing most people get wrong about this scenario. You wouldn't even know immediately. See, light from the sun takes exactly 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. So the moment the sun disappeared, right now, this very second, we wouldn't find out for another 8 minutes. For 8 minutes, life would be completely normal. You'd be making coffee, scrolling your phone, arguing about something that suddenly doesn't matter at all. And then, at exactly minute 8, the sky goes black. Not gradually, instantly, like someone flipped a switch on the entire planet. Every solar panel on Earth stops working simultaneously. GPS satellites begin drifting within hours, and every human being on the planet looks up at the same time and feels the same thing. This is not okay. Now the clock starts. Within the first hour, global temperatures begin to drop. Not catastrophically, not yet, but enough that you notice. That chill in the air that wasn't there before. Power grids are already buckling, not from the cold, from panic. Every city on Earth trying to turn on every light at the same time. Within 24 hours, the average surface temperature drops by around 10 degrees Fahrenheit. That doesn't sound like much. But think about what 10 degrees means globally. Crops start dying. Weather systems, which are entirely powered by the sun's heat, begin breaking down. Wind patterns that have existed for millions of years start collapsing. And the ocean is still relatively warm. For now, the ocean is actually humanity's best friend in this scenario. It's been absorbing solar heat for billions of years, and it doesn't give it up easily. The oceans will keep coastal areas survivable for longer than you'd think. But here's what nobody talks about. Photosynthesis stops. Immediately. Every plant on Earth stops producing oxygen the moment the sun disappears. We have enough oxygen in the atmosphere to breathe for thousands of years. That's not the problem. The problem is the food chain. By day 7, average surface temperatures have dropped another 10 degrees. The weakest parts of civilization start breaking first. Supply chains, heating systems, agriculture. But here's something remarkable, and this is the part of this scenario that genuinely surprises people. Humans are extraordinary at surviving. Geothermal energy, heat from the Earth's core, doesn't need the sun at all. Iceland runs almost entirely on it already. Nuclear power plants keep running. Deep ocean vents, which have entire ecosystems that have never needed sunlight, keep pumping heat into the water. Small pockets of humanity, clustered around geothermal hotspots and nuclear reactors, could survive for potentially decades, not comfortably, not easily, but survive. Within a year, the surface of Earth averages around -100 degrees Fahrenheit. The oceans freeze at the surface, but here's the mind-bending part. They don't freeze all the way through. The sheer mass of water retains heat at the bottom for potentially millions of years. And life? Life finds a way. Deep sea creatures around hydrothermal vents, those bizarre alien-looking organisms that have never once needed sunlight, would be completely unaffected. For them, Tuesday, Earth itself would keep orbiting, silently, through the galaxy. A dark, frozen marble hurtling through space, but still spinning, still there. Without the sun's gravity anchoring us, Earth would drift off in a straight line into deep space. After about 43,000 years, we'd reach the next closest star system, Proxima Centauri. A new sun, a new chance. The universe, it turns out, is very patient. The sun is so constant, so reliable, that we've built our entire existence around it without ever really thinking about it. Every warm morning, every summer, everything that has ever grown from the ground, all of it, a gift from a star 93 million miles away. So next time you feel the sun on your face, actually feel it. Because now you know exactly what it's doing for you. If this made you think, drop a comment with one word that describes how this made you feel. I read every single one. And if you want to go deeper, next week we're asking, what if gravity reversed for just 1 second? Subscribe so you don't miss it. I'll see you there.